Hey guys, how you doing? This is Mike for Makers Generation. So today we start a series on Python. Like you start with coding, the first thing we do is hello world Python. So we see that. So we see what is Python, what is it's used for, and what industry it is used for. Alright then, so Python, is used in different type of industries. Is used in industry of car. You can do droning with it. We can do that data analysis with it. You can do you can make game with it. You can do all type of things with it. And this is a high level type of program, so it's really easy to get started with. You don't need all the require low level things, so that's a different thing, but it's just to let you know. If you want to install it, we're not going to spend much time on it, but if you want to install it, you can go there and type on Python download. Here you see it, Python download, and we bring you to python.org, so you can install the last version of Python. You can see here 3.13 is the last version. So you can go here and try to download them. So yeah, you get the different versions here, and try to download it. And once you install it, you can have an interpreter here with it. Alright guys, so we're not gonna spend much time on that, but if you want, you can let me a comment. You can leave me a comment in the comment section, and I can make a video on that. Today, just want to show you how to get started with Python without having to install that. So without having to install that, so you might need to go to Google, guys, and you type online Python interpreter. That's an interpreted language. Alright, so you can go to this one, but I usually use that one, programmist.com, and you click on it and you wait a little. Alright guys, it will bring us here. So that's an interface, pre-program interface, so you don't need to download it. So you type your program here, it execute the program for you, and you can have the result on that side. So here you write the program. So here you see all these pound signs. These are the two lines. These are comments, and this is the program you will be running. And I explain it to you what it is. So the first thing we're going to do is go here and type on run. Alright. So when we type on run, we see here output. And in the output, we see here try programmist.pro. So when we take a look on the left, we see something here that says also try programmist.pro. So alright, to explain you that, so here we have print. This is a function made by the programmers that created Python, and also it's also used in other type of languages like C, C++, but it's not really the same syntax, but it's the same idea. Whatever you type between print, the parentheses of print, it will print it for you. Alright, I can give you an example. I can write print, see print. You see the color is orange, so you need to make sure the color is orange, and you put the double quotes here. See what you would do, and you put how are you? Alright, and you type run, and you wait a little. You see here it says try program is how are you? Try program is how are you? That's nice. Alright guys, let's try something else. Print, it's beautiful outside. Alright, and let me run it. Alright guys, so you see we have an error here. So it doesn't like you see an error, as it says syntax error and terminated string later at line 5. So you see how an error here. So print is good, it's orange, but here usually you see what is between parentheses is green, and it started being green, but we have a problem with this. So it's really sensitive with those. So so you can remove it. But also we forgot to add the quotes, guys. If I had only one quote, you see here, we still have a problem. Interminated string literal. Alright, so meaning we need to add another one here, guys. Alright, let me run it now. Alright, it's beautiful outside. Okay, that's good. Alright, I can show you also another error that we can have. Syntax errors, you know. I can put capital P print, you know, and put parentheses. And you see it's still white. It's not orange. So let me put the quotes and let me type again. Then type Sunday. Alright, Sunday. And you see I have an error here. So these are different type of errors you can encounter while dealing with Python. Alright, let me try another one. Print, you can forget the parentheses. You have different things you can do while doing that. So you can go like this, one day, and you can forget the parentheses. So those are beginner issues or errors we can have, but they happen. So just to let you know, guys, that this can happen. Okay, let me close it. Okay, now let's deal with numbers. Type for your print. Put my parentheses. Let me type 2. All right, 2. You see, guys, here we have 2. All right, let me show you something else. Type print, parentheses, and type 2. So I didn't put the parentheses, the quotes. You see, I also have 2, guys. So let me show you something else. I forgot to mention that. You see, I put Sunday here or Monday. Let me put Monday here. And let me run it. And you see here, guys, it's running everything. So 2 and 2, 2 here and 2 here. And when we are at Monday, it says error. And what does it say? Trash back, line 10, that's line 10. Name error, Monday is not defined. So here it consider Monday as a variable, and we haven't seen variables yet. I make an episode on it, and so you understand better what a variable is, so and what we can do with it. But when you write words, you need to put the quotes with words if you want it to show. If not, you know, it will be a variable. You need to declare the variable. But we see what a variable is in the next episode. No worries about that. So that's one thing that can be done. Print Monday. Okay. Let me show you something nice. There we go. Quotes. Let's do some arithmetic. All right, 2 plus 2. All right, let me type it for you. Let me run it. You see here Monday, print 2 plus 2. When you run print 2 plus 2, it should be equal to 4, but you still write 2 plus 2 and not the results. It's because we put the quotes. But if we do the following, like print 2 plus 2, you see, guys, I didn't put the quotes. 2 plus 2. And let me click on run. We should have this 4. I'll give you another example. Print. Let me take like I don't know, 120 plus 30. And we should have like 150, guys. Let me click on one. So 150. So, guys, these are different things we can do with print. You know. I didn't do the print hello world. Let me do it. Hello world. There you go. Let me run it. Print hello world. Alright, guys, to finish it today. So this is the different things you can do with print, in Python. It's a pretty nice language. It's pretty easy to use. Not too much of syntaxes. Put semicolons and things like you do in C, in C++, and so on. Functions are pretty easy to use. The language is used a lot in the industry, in different type of industry like medical, in cars, and to make video games, to data analytics, to data visualization, all different type of things. So if you want to learn language, and and earn some money while learning, while in the job, so I can advise you to go to that. So that's a nice way to get started, guys. All right, guys. If you like the video, please give it a like. Don't forget to leave some comments if you have any question or suggestion, or if there was something that you really enjoy in the video. Don't forget to share the video, that someone you think might like it, or to give me some pros, some appreciation. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, guys. All right, see you for another video. Bye bye.